Hey guys, me again out of this Real Marketing LLC. This video is going to show you how to remove the grid from behind your design in Cricut Design Space. Okay, so what you're going to do is pull up your design, go to the upper left corner, look for that little empty box, click it, and it's going to remove the grid. So then now you want to save your design to your desktop, and what you're going to do is click Command Shift 4, highlight the image, and it's going to automatically go to your Mac desktop. Now you're going to learn that once you click on that design from your desktop, it will open up, and then you also could click on the link at the top of it and change the name of the design so that you're able to find your design as fast as possible. Here's two images that I did this procedure with, and I hope that it helps you guys. Once again, all you got to do is just go to the top left corner, click that empty box. It's going to remove your grid. Then you're going to go near your image, and you're going to press Command Shift 4, all right, in sequence, and it's going to create a little cursor where you can highlight your design, and once you click it, it's going to automatically save to your Mac desktop. You click on that image from your Mac desktop, pull it up, look at the name, click on it, and change the name to whatever you want to change it to. That way it's easier for you to find, and this way you can share your designs across platforms, upload it into Printful. I know you guys know about Printful if you're messing with this Cricut. Alright, so that's a little tip for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you can use it. Thank you.